Hello guys, this is Zaki DF here. This is my electrolux. So the video I showed you, that one, the new one, I'm gonna tell you what happened in the aftermath. It's shocking. This never happened to my washing machine before. So yeah, I was doing it, and when I throw this one, I shake it a lot, right? But then yes, the suspension springs fell. Yeah, the suspension spring fell. I don't know how I'm gonna get that fixed. So yeah, it fell right there. So this happened. It looks a lot like the whirlpool exploded. It looks a lot like that, but not really. So yeah, the suspension springs fell, or the springs. There you go. So guys, so yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get this fixed. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. But hold on, I'm gonna check something. Did anything happen? It's kinda hard. Ooh, that looks not good. Yeah, I may have to fix that a bit. As you can see. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.